Good afternoon, this is Eric Windheim, building biologist and electromagnetic radiation specialist. A repeat client has had me come back to inspect after a solar system was installed and electric generator backup system. These are conduits going into the service panel, and we're getting a 10 amp net current on that one. We're getting a 10 amp net current on this one, and we're going to quickly go around the corner. I think we can find out where it's coming from. The net current is coming from the new Kohler generator backup system that was recently installed. Now it just dropped down to 2.5. Okay, so let's go back outside and see if it went back down to 2.5. Yes, sir? So at the terminus of these cables seems to be in the generator system, and it's a dead match. 2.5, 2.5, and 2.5 inside. So it appears to be a major violation of National Electric Code section 300.3b that says all conductors of the same circuit must travel together in the same raceway, conduit, or cable. And if that was the case, we wouldn't have this problem. Thank you.